Hey folks, Ash here from DroningON Live, and I'm just relaxing outside after a long day, and I thought I'd respond to some questions and comments about the zoom feature on the new DJI Air 2S, because many of you are saying that you can't find the zoom feature. Well, there's three reasons for that, which hopefully this video will be useful for. The first one is there's no zoom in photo mode, which I find frustrating, and I raised this as part of my review video. I hope that DJI introduce this in the future in a possible DJI FLY update, but at the moment you have to switch to video mode in order to zoom. I guess the main difference really is that when you take a photo, you're capturing pixels from the entire sensor, and therefore there's not really the necessity to have the zoom feature. But for people who want to shoot and share, I think zoom is really useful because you're zooming in, you're taking the photo exactly as you want it, ready to share. Unfortunately, it's not there yet. Now, the other one that I noticed today is that if you're in 5.4K video resolution mode, you won't see a zoom button at all. Nothing. I think it'd be helpful if DJI FLY at least showed the ×1 or the zoom icon. Even if you're in 5.4K, maybe clicking it would then prompt you to change your resolution down. But instead, the zoom button actually disappears entirely. So if you're wondering where the zoom button is, switch to 4K, where you'll then get up to 4x zoom. Switch to 1080p, where you'll get up to 8x zoom. And the final reason is your video mode. Now, if you are set to HLG or D-Cine-like log mode, then you won't see the zoom button as well. The best thing to do there is go into your settings menu, then camera, and change your video mode to normal. I think it's normal or none, something like that. And then you'll see your zoom button appearing, again, as long as you're in 4K resolution setting or lower. Anyway, hopefully that's useful. Just a very quick 2-minute video to answer those questions directly. Enjoy your Saturday evening, everybody, and have a good one.